First question I always get when I meet somebody and they find out I'm a plumber is they want to know about tankless water heaters. Tankless water heaters, to many people, seem like a new development, but they've been around in Europe and the Asian countries for probably 40 years. It is a lot more expensive to buy a tankless water heater and to have it installed. There's a reconfiguration of the gas lines, the water lines, the venting systems. What they really do is they give you instant hot water and they give you an endless supply of that hot water. The promise is, because of its high efficiency, that you're going to save money. The real answer is that probably won't save your money until after you've paid off the difference between installing a regular water heater and putting in the tankless. So the capital investment is greater, and therefore to get that money back, it takes about 10 to 11 years. So we really would want to ask a person what the purpose of their quest for a tankless water heater is, and if it's because they need endless hot water because they've got 6 kids and every time they jump in the shower it's cold, then a tankless water probably is for you. Also, if you have a large vessel like a hot tub where you need a lot of water at once, a tankless water will also suit those needs.